Hey everyone, it's Healthy Lifestyle and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the incredible world of exotic fruits with the Atemoya. This unique fruit, a hybrid of the cherimoya and sugar apple, isn't just delicious but packs a serious nutritional punch. But before we get started, I wanted to give a quick shout out to Eye Clinic London. They're doing amazing work in the field of ophthalmology. So if you're looking for top-notch eye care, make sure to check them out. And of course, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Now, back to the Atemoya. From boosting your immune system to aiding digestion, this fruit has something to offer everyone. So, let's explore the 6 amazing health benefits of Atemoya and learn how to enjoy this exotic treat. We all know a strong immune system is key to staying healthy and vibrant, especially during those times when everyone seems to be coming down with something, like during flu season or when there's a bug going around. Well, Atemoya can be your new best friend in the fight against those pesky germs and viruses. This incredible fruit is packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that plays a vital role in supporting a healthy immune response and overall wellness. Think of vitamin C as the captain of your body's defense team, rallying the troops to fight off infections and keep you feeling your best, day in and day out. And the best part? Just one serving of Atemoya provides a significant amount of your daily vitamin C needs, making it an easy addition to your diet. That means incorporating this delicious fruit into your diet can be a tasty and convenient way to give your immune system the support it needs to function optimally. But how exactly does vitamin C work its magic within our bodies? Well, it helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, the brave soldiers of your immune system that fight off infections and keep you healthy. Not only that, but vitamin C also helps these white blood cells function more effectively, ensuring they're in tip-top shape to tackle any invading pathogens and keep you protected. So, next time you're feeling under the weather or just want to give your immune system an extra boost, reach for an Atemoya and enjoy its benefits. Your body will thank you for it, and you'll feel the difference in your overall health and energy levels. Let's face it, no one likes talking about digestion, but it's an essential part of our overall health and well-being. And if you're looking for a natural way to keep things moving smoothly, Atemoya is here to help. This incredible fruit is a fantastic source of dietary fiber, a type of carbohydrate that our bodies can't digest. Now you might be thinking, why do I need something my body can't even break down? Well, here's the thing, dietary fiber is like a superhero for your gut. It adds bulk to your stool, making it easier to pass and preventing those uncomfortable bouts of constipation. But that's not all. Fiber also acts like a prebiotic, providing food for the beneficial bacteria that live in your gut. These friendly bacteria play a crucial role in digestion, nutrient absorption, and even immune function. By promoting a healthy balance of gut bacteria, Atemoya can help improve digestion, reduce bloating, and support overall gut health. So, if you're looking for a delicious and natural way to keep your digestive system running smoothly, be sure to add Atemoya to your diet. Your gut will thank you for it. In today's world, we're constantly bombarded with things that can damage our cells, from pollution to processed foods. These damaging molecules, known as free radicals, can wreak havoc on our bodies, leading to inflammation and increasing the risk of chronic diseases. But fear not, Atemoya is here to the rescue with its potent antioxidant properties. Antioxidants are like the body's natural defense system against free radical damage. They neutralize these harmful molecules, protecting our cells from oxidative stress. Think of it this way, imagine your cells are like houses, and free radicals are like a hailstorm. Antioxidants are the sturdy roof protecting your house from damage. Atemoya is a rich source of various antioxidants, including vitamin C, which we've already discussed, as well as other powerful compounds like flavonoids and carotenoids. These antioxidants work together to combat free radicals, reducing inflammation throughout the body, and lowering the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. By incorporating Atemoya into your diet, you're giving your body an extra layer of protection against the damaging effects of free radicals. It's like providing your cells with a shield against the daily onslaught of environmental toxins and stressors. Chapter 4. Building a Healthier You. Atemoya's Vitamin C for Growth and Repair. We often associate vitamin C with boosting our immune system, but did you know it plays a vital role in many other bodily functions? It's not just about fighting off colds and flu. That's right. Vitamin C is a true multitasker, essential for the growth, development, and repair of all our body tissues. It supports us in ways we often overlook. From the formation of collagen, the protein that keeps our skin firm and youthful, to maintaining the elasticity and strength of our skin, to the production of neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers in our brains that influence our mood and cognitive functions, vitamin C is involved in countless processes that keep us healthy and functioning at our best. It's a cornerstone of our overall well-being. Atemoya, being an excellent source of vitamin C, can contribute significantly to meeting our daily requirements of this essential nutrient. Including it in your diet can be a delicious way to stay healthy. This is particularly important for children and adolescents who are still growing and developing. Their bodies need all the support they can get. Adequate vitamin C intake ensures proper bone and teeth formation, wound healing, and overall physical development. It even helps our bodies absorb iron more efficiently, preventing iron deficiency anemia, which is crucial for maintaining energy levels. But it's not just about growth and development. Vitamin C is a lifelong ally. Vitamin C also plays a crucial role in tissue repair throughout our lives. It's essential for maintaining our health as we age. Whether it's recovering from an injury, surgery, or any physical trauma, or simply the wear and tear of daily life, vitamin C is there to help. Vitamin C helps our bodies rebuild and repair damaged tissues, ensuring we stay resilient and healthy. Chapter 5. Atemoya, fueling your brain with vitamin B6. In today's fast-paced world, we're constantly demanding more from our brains. Whether it's acing an exam, delivering a presentation, or simply remembering where we put our keys, our brains are working overtime. And just like any other organ in our body, our brains need the right nutrients to function optimally. That's where Atemoya comes in, with its impressive vitamin B6 content. Vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine, plays a crucial role in brain health by supporting the production of neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that allow brain cells to communicate with each other. These neurotransmitters are involved in a wide range of brain functions, including mood regulation, sleep, memory, and cognitive function. Studies have shown that adequate vitamin B6 intake is associated with improved cognitive performance, reduced risk of age-related cognitive decline, and even a lower risk of developing mood disorders like depression and anxiety. By incorporating Atemoya into your diet, you're providing your brain with the essential nutrients it needs to function at its best. It's like giving your brain a boost of energy and focus, helping you stay sharp and mentally agile. Chapter 6. Atemoya, the fiber powerhouse for weight management. In a world obsessed with fad diets and quick fixes, it's easy to get lost in the sea of weight loss promises. From pills to shakes, the options are endless and often overwhelming. But the truth is, sustainable weight management is about making healthier choices that you can maintain over time. It's about finding balance and incorporating nutritious foods into your daily routine. And that's where Atemoya can be a valuable ally. This tropical fruit is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that support a healthy lifestyle. This incredible fruit is naturally low in calories and fat, making it a guilt-free indulgence. You can enjoy it without worrying about adding extra pounds. But here's the real secret weapon: Atemoya's high dietary fiber content. Fiber is essential for a healthy digestive system and plays a significant role in weight management. We've already discussed how fiber works wonders for digestion, but it also plays a crucial role in weight management. It helps regulate your body's use of sugars, keeping hunger and blood sugar in check. Fiber adds bulk to our diet without adding extra calories, helping us feel fuller for longer and reducing overall calorie intake. This can be a game changer for those looking to shed some pounds. Think of it this way: imagine your stomach is like a balloon. When you eat fiber-rich foods, it's like adding air to the balloon. Fiber is like adding air to the balloon, making it expand and signaling to your brain that you're full. This helps you avoid overeating and keeps you satisfied for longer periods. This feeling of fullness helps prevent overeating and reduces those pesky cravings. It makes it easier to say no to unhealthy snacks and desserts. Moreover, fiber slows down the digestion and absorption of sugars, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels that can lead to energy crashes and increased fat storage. This is crucial for maintaining steady energy levels throughout the day. By incorporating Atemoya into your diet, you're not only adding a delicious and nutritious fruit, but also boosting your fiber intake, which can contribute to sustainable weight management. It's a small change with a big impact on your health and well-being. So there you have it, 6 amazing health benefits of Atemoya that prove this exotic fruit is more than just a pretty face. From boosting your immune system to supporting your brain health and aiding in weight management, Atemoya is a true nutritional powerhouse. I hope this video has inspired you to give Atemoya a try and experience its deliciousness and health benefits for yourself. Remember, incorporating a variety of fruits and vegetables into your diet is key to a healthy and balanced lifestyle. Thank you to my amazing subscribers, both new and old, for joining me on this journey of exploring the incredible world of healthy eating. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family.